Yes, on Naija FM 102.7. When you hear that song, you know, say now time for Big Brother's Little Brother. Welcome to the weekend edition of Workshop. And of course, now me, Lady J, and Sankpato one of Naija FM. And of course, the baby girl of Lagos and your baby girl for life. Argue with your keypad. I know go beyond that one. So welcome to the 30th of August 2024 and another day where we're going to touch light on top everything we don't share for Big Brother House from the Saturday night party. Or maybe we say the wager up until yesterday. All of us will agree say somehow the week they slow. Just they crawl, they go. Finally, another weekend don't reach. But you know, as we run the package now, nobody only me go to talk the matter. Of course, we get the beautiful Austin Betta in the building. So we start off with the wager. Congratulations, they win their wager. Me, I feel say based on the punishment we punish them. The right your wrongs, count beans,
walk like an animal.
So it could come be like say if you say they no win their wager, and that one will be like a tiebreaker or something. So
Yes.
you crush them the more. You know, that kind of thing. So they eventually, but it did okay.
It did okay. No, it did okay. And that punishment, I be they even look at a biggie. You for add small. Because this house fits that tardiness, with Big Brother they always speak. But I mean, it was a good experience for them because this is not the first time we've seen housemates pick beans and all. And they don't look big. Say big, they punish them. Now big, say let me teach you people. Just a little bit. So yeah, it was nice to see that. It was nice to see how seriously they also took it as well.
Yes, especially the right your wrongs.
That right your I will never disobey Big Brother again.
Zion complains saying hand don't freeze. Well, moving from that, now we enter inside the Saturday night Gbedu. And the Gbedu day late, if you agree.
It day late. And that party. That party, I don't know.
After party,
now after party drama, now just console me because that party I don't really know.
You don't really rate them.
I don't really know. And that DJ they try normally, but I don't know. You know, every day is not your day.
Yes.
Like I said, that day not being day.
Not being day. Exactly. Then they see like that. So now we'll talk about the after party drama, the fight between Wanni ex Handi. And waiting me the fight. Say her sister tell them to see your eye. You don't hide.
Say make she calm down.
And she no like him. Say she no be small picking. She know how to control herself. And before you know it, that happen, Handi can't go kitchen, can't they cry. Now I get issue with where she go they cry. She for even go room, go enter inside bed, cover her face, cry.
But she no go cry.
No, she no go cry.
No, she broke down. She didn't plan to.
It just happened.
Yeah, it was in the heat of. Even that's what Onyeka was telling her that no, you're getting it wrong. Handi did not come to the kitchen to cry. He came to do something in the kitchen, and maybe just thinking about it, she broke down. Not be saying she say okay, make her come cry, make people see me, when they tell me sorry. No, that was not what happened. Okay. She literally broke down, and they explain and give one, but you know say that they vex, so she not really calm down to even hear waiting that they tell her in that moment. No, I don't think she just went there to cry.
Nah, but that fight long because Wanni can't take him out on Sean because if you say Sean they support Handi.
The thing he dragged for too long,
honestly.
But I like, can I be honest here? I like how Sean handled this whole thing at the beginning.
Okay.
I know it became messy towards the end, but that beginning time we say they don't talk in console, yeah. So come. Carry them, go that dining area. Yes, give them cheer. That was really cute. That was really nice. So yeah, I don't know. The thing is, when twins, the amount of love they get for each other, now the same amount of energy they go take fight. So it was not surprising to me, but it was entertaining to an extent because I've seen their good sides. I've seen how they dance together, how they look for trouble, but I never really see where they fight together. So it was nice to see that part. Yeah, it was nice to see that part, and I'm glad that they are back to being our chihuahuas.
No, but the fight still continues. But she promised Big Brother for her diary session, saying she go talk to Sean after the eviction.
Yeah.
But after the eviction, she still not talk to him.
She not talk to him.
Say Sean no come congratulate them, saying they childish. Say she they do everything for man. She they do in laundry. She they cook. Make sure say they okay.
Yeah.
This one, that one. Say she's done. She's done. She's
done. They give you truth or dare kiss. You know feel whole body. You know feel just say no. I'm not gonna do it.
I'll pass.
You carry mouth go. You know if you say me they give you drink, may you drink. Carry your mouth. You they say first sleep on top in bed.
the truth of the matter, and I say two of them miss each other, but Sean no one say apologize.
Sean no they express anything. I know they see any expression.
Handi go meet him. Instead, Handi say, they go follow him talk. Say if she knows feels anything where she do they wrong, then what do you want?
Plus, Sean already tell us that he like ladies where they initiate things. He say like girls where they initiate things. So if she no starts, if he no starts, you understand? Now wait till I just see that if she no starts the conversation, he probably will not start. Which is why he said I like ladies that initiate things and one thing. So I don't really know for them.
They don't reconcile. But I believe say this fight supposed let them know themselves a lot better and understand each other. And congratulations again, they win a head of house.
Yeah.
And they ask us, so you go say my chihuahuas.
But why you go pick them like that?
Well,
you and Victoria and her partner, you go say we. You can say I choose. Now you get her. Now you only you win this thing. In fact, now Victoria helped them work for that HOH game where they play. That her Crocs where she wear for leg. Nice to make them. You can't go there. I choose my chihuahuas. Are you the only person? That's invest me. That's invest me. But Victoria don't say if they win again, say they go choose her own people. Say they don't choose. But they wait now. May they win again because who shall be? I choose.
But when you look and not be only him they stay for the HOH. They sleep in shift. So if he sleep today, Victoria
get her own people. My own be say you for just at least speak with her. Mona agree. Then when Biggie asks you, you go say we. Now Shatoria not be Sean, not be Sean. You not be pair. You not be one full pair.
Yeah.
You are just a part of a pair.
Yeah.
So you go say we. You can say I. But anyway, man, leave her. Better leave her.
It don't happen.
Better leave her.
It don't happen. So we'll look into the ships now. It just be like say, while I one day for inside the ships. Anita and Tonita.
No, their name with that. I just ask you, they say. I don't give them different names.
But first I didn't name ships, sir.
But if I say these ships, they sweet you. I say know all the names.
No, you say they watch for nothing. Oh, you see that bar, that news, that
you
bar.
Didn't read them.
I didn't read them. I they go online again. I they get informate. So all those things they for inside. They there. So now Tonita, and if you heard in the fight, safe. You didn't see me for long. You didn't check up.
Check up on me.
Now I come.
Now what?
Ladies, what do we want?
Now why? You see this issue of the heart, these things, and again, I don't even know what I want to talk now because now game. Sometimes I want to believe say, these are issues of the heart. Sometimes I want to still believe say all these things, so tactics go still there inside, strategies.
Yeah.
But if I take strategy out of this whole thing, I just think that the love when they don't get for their, may I just use the word love? I don't really know. I know this
because they deny.
I don't know. But whatever it is that's going on, every day it grows. So you go see say the thing when we say you don't tell yourself I don't go do this thing. You find yourself doing it. So I don't know as I want to describe this Tofa and Anita quarrel because. It shake.
And a very, very small issue.
Very minute things. Minute things. You did not check up on me. But when I go inside that room, they talk another thing.
Nelly, I'm tired of Suj.
He's very
clingy.
Biggie, thank you. Biggie, see that answer where Biggie give her. Biggie, thank you for reminding her that she's just the same. She possesses the same quality. Because she's clingy. Why, if you're not clingy, why would you be saying he didn't dance with you at the party? So because of that, you diverse. Now you are coming out to say he's very clingy. And now they ask, you say your eye never they enter another person body.
See, from day one, you get some ladies for that house where done the eye show. Nelly, Ruthie even tell me, I say, Sean na my spec. But Nelly's knowing that Wanni is there, she knows say if she go put her head,
you go get her CB.
While go day.
Yeah.
But Loki, she they show say her eye dey there.
I dey look you, Nelly. I dey look you because bless everybody eye for that house. No one clear again, but no one. So we skip one very important aspect of the eviction. That now the tables where Ebuka break. Onyeka. Ebuka, thank you. For scattering the tables.
Because maybe before we even enter that eviction, Onyeka don't they tell go to tell Sean what she discussed with Wanni. Wanni open up to her say, I get trust issues.
Yes.
Based off of what happened.
In a past relationship.
And then for her family.
Yes.
Again. And so of course na case of trauma which she never healed from. And one thing I know about trauma, if you never heal from
there's
trauma,
no moving past it.
No moving past it, because if you see something maybe like it go trigger you.
Yes.
And that now one thing where they go on with Wanni. Oyeka, of course, oyeka.com, Oyeka FM. Don't go tell Sean, say see what happen, see what we discussed. Then she can't go tell Chizoba, say Sean talk say in like girls we get big back. Say as it is now her back now be the problem. Now she tell Chizoba. So she don't forget say she don't they try do.
You don't they bring up another topic. We never clear the one where we see
Victoria.
Now
she don't create impression say Ozzy Abi
Ozzy
and Victoria. They try push them, make them day in
all these things. Oyeka start. I hope say she get power to because if Ebuka start again, you know say
Ebuka start with her on Sunday.
And the questions where Ebuka ask her on that Sunday, she no fit answer. He just did they try cover body. What I would have expected her to do, just keep quiet. No need to come dey explain, give this person, because you know obviously that people want to pick different things from what you're saying. Better still have a conversation with the Ozzy. Oh no, you go here talk one thing, go here talk another thing. You see the lie, say you immediately she lie, say she no know say Sue tap her. Now I don't know say I don't want to believe anything.
She said then they
I know Oyeka Zukwadike Oyeka rest
Bachayangi.
Oyeka
One more yourself.
Even Ozzy is not free from all of this
because he still they complain about her. You see they talk about her up until yesterday.
Even Ozzy
they complain.
Yes.
Say she don't create bad impression about them. Say then they for inside the ship. All this shipping.
You don't know say you get madam for outside for the first time where they do all these things. Now you say your madam is outside. Your madam will be fine. Sort the things in biggest house first.
First of all, give her say you know touch.
You understand.
Kiss, remember that kiss for inside the kitchen.
That one kiss.
Now waiting that.
Anyway, now from there they start.
Yeah, now there from the start. First of all, if you want pecker, why be her lip? Why no kiss her for cheek? No, be so they run.
Ozzy and Oyeka, what's going on? Mona answer me because all they give me headache.
Not the only they give they give everybody a headache. Now wow. But before we wrap them up, maybe we'll look at the pool party. Everybody complains saying it day boring. Even as a day like this, and where you talk about, you still say my mood now. You don't change. It changed when I talk about the Saturday night party.
But you see that Saturday night party,
it better pass the pool party.
That DJ, I go hug her because you see yesterday,
just a play anyhow.
Yesterday the DJ not there. I'm not sure. I'm big. I'm not sure. Everybody be like say headache they worry all of us yesterday, so more take a like that. Now the weather, because that party it boring. Even the housemates say, Biggie, what you know? Yeah, when Nelly say, Biggie, what's happening?
He used to ask because it like remember we go say it was not given.
They use English, but I say not enter, jig, jig
at all.
I want to ask you now one question: who be the finest boy for the house?
Finest boy.
Based on what you don't notice as ladies, who find past the guy we find past. I don't feel as not be the finest girl because now guys are supposed to ask who be finest.
Ask me who be girl because this question about the finest boy for that. Sean fine, tall. Sujum.
Ask to be finest. To me, no.
I don't really get. Tofa too fine, Sha.
That guy will get big body like say do bodybuilding. What's it be that name? Fair one kind.
Mickey. No, not Mickey.
But women they like that kind of body now.
That one don't make him the finest guy for the house.
Okay, so for your opinion, who be the finest guy for the house?
Sean fine.
Between Sean and Tofa.
My own not be Sean and Tofa. My own are between Sean, Tofa, and Suj. You must add Suj to this equation. Ada.
You won't be like Tokewe like Sean.
No, me and Tokewe will not be on the same level.
Because
you know what they like Suj. Now this is sheep with Nelly. Not be say anything.
Okay, so who be the finest girl for the house?
Anita is actually very pretty.
Tall.
Anita is pretty. Nelly too is fine.
Say not just me, I be those 1 year and they always open breast. house, I dey see am. They anything they wear, you go always show.
They gotta show you some skin.
Say na part of their pattern.
Nah, the pattern be that. I'm not sure say they carry this thing come down.
They don't carry any clothes when they show.
They get one where they wear on Monday. We no show anything, but
the back show.
The back show.
Something must show.
Something must show.
I like them one kind.
Now why you like them?
The only problem where we say the only their name where they are waist, I think they know the difference.
True.
So if I friend one of them, I feel they confused. But you go need to they wear belts until they used to.
So that means we need to press Sean now, because apart from the name tag, I feel like he sort of knows.
And because he don't
stay with them.
And even me now, if when then they talk, I didn't know.
They know who they talk.
Who they talk. Wanni they talk very fast. Her voice is a bit husky.
Very fast. Yeah.
Handi na the calm one where they. They're like that. We don't like that.
Oh
God.
Okay, one more question for 12 now. Who be the strongest candidate for this house now? If you say this person is strong now, if you say both inside the house and outside now, the way fans they feel this person, it could definitely reach the end.
I don't know.
I never see anybody this strong
because say that every day they bring new tactics.
But it doesn't like for previous seasons now. At one stage, all of us know say this FA boy go reach the end. When they say based on logistics.
Then
Lekon, when you get to Lekon, right, we know say this guy.
Based on everything will happen.
Outside people don't say this one, I would root for it. Same thing with white money at one point. But
this one hard now because they come in pairs.
They're difficult.
Okay. They come in pairs.
The suspicion and the rumor they between Double K and Wanni x Handi.
People really like Double K because of the lie. Say they don't marry, but they lie say they never marry. So people people won't see how far they will feel go.
So now this at one, you go reach one stage where big you can't separate everybody finally.
I don't know if it happen, anything is possible.
If they can't pair, so if one pair can't reach the end, so they will constantly and just choose between the pair. I mean, the pair go win the money together.
Now one person want win money.
One person go win. Yeah.
So but
that means they go split them at a point.
Now big,
it be like Titans.
Now
he paired them.
Then towards the end, it still scatter them again. So anything will still happen. But for now, they see they play as pairs, and it's quite difficult to say, oh, not only this person now ain't get strong tactics.
We still they watch. We still they watch. But before you go, everything will be one to tell you. Okay, maybe we'll still focus a bit on the diary session of Wanni x Handi, because they say them be chihuahuas. Chihuahua is special of dog.
Yes.
Say if you come to
small dog will do.
They say they don't be when I say if you come to us.
They can't do choreography for himself. Sing song. You don't people that don't see you.
And you show me there's a big ego, don't they laugh?
You don't laugh there. You can't say, hey, you come to us with.
If you come to us, if you come to us with a bad energy and you want us to back,
you don't get it.
If you want us to lick you,
we're gonna bite you back. And if you want us to lick you, we'll lick you. They can't demonstrate.
They
plan this before they enter the diary.
I don't know. Their energy is just out of this world. I don't know how they do it, but I love it.
I love their energy. They not be all bad. They get their bad side, but they get their good side. One of the things where I love about
did you see that morning when they dance?
They celebrate with them.
Yes.
They celebrate with other people when they win. They know they take campaign to say why we no win.
They go celebrate with you.
Yes, now.
Yeah.
So that now, I believe that now they good.
They try. They get balance.
They get balance now. But you go. I don't know when that energy go come down.
It no fit. It no
fit.
Oh
God. Well, that now I wish if you continue.
That couple when they called at that time when the guy they accused the girl said she touched somebody's nipple. They don't settle.
That be the Double K. They don't settle.
They don't settle.
They don't settle. They don't they chook hand this trouser.
I forget.
Okay.
They don't chook hand for each other.
Then go just look.
I mean, which hand they chook, left or right?
Now you know the angle.
And they ask you now.
I want to know now. But now Cassia na initiator.
Cassia may no go cast. I don't they talk this.
I beg go may no come cast. No cover come out to make them allow them make them reach the final. When they were announced on say actually we are married.
Okay.
Make it reach that point. We dey laugh. But thank you very much, Austin Betta.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.